Hello friends, and welcome to your 15-minute wellness break, spring cleaning edition. This Be Kind to Your Mind video is brought to you by the Center for Health Education and Wellness. So why are we talking spring cleaning right now? Well, of course, it is spring. The leaves are coming out, things are blooming, and this is a time of year when you might be experiencing the urge to go through, get rid of things in your home or your life that have been stagnating, things that you can get rid of to clear the clutter. So today we're going to work on clearing the clutter of our mind. So if you've joined me for past videos, we've broken this up into 3 parts, 5 minutes of just gentle stretching, seated or standing, your choice, 5 minutes of breathing, and 5 minutes of meditation. So we're going to go through all 3 of those today, and we're going to start right now. So go ahead and come to a nice tall seated position, standing if you've been sitting all day and need a little break. Just make sure that your feet are flat on the ground so you feel nice and grounded. Your shoulders are over your hips and your spine is nice and long. Go ahead and take a deep inhale in, bring the shoulders up to the ears, and as you exhale, roll the shoulders back and down. Good, let's do that twice more. So big inhale in, exhale, roll the shoulders back and down. Once more in this direction. Breathe, exhale, start to release that tension in the upper body. Let's switch directions. So next, inhale in, shoulder blades come together, shoulders shrug back up to the ears, roll them forward, exhale. Good. Twice more. Inhale. Exhale. Release tension. Start to bring your focus into these few minutes that we have together. Good. Excellent. Go ahead and drop your right ear over to your right shoulder. Stretch through the neck here. Good. If you'd like, you can take your hand right to the top of the head and just gently assist. Take a breath. Good. Let the head be heavy here so you can open up through the left side of the neck. Excellent. Go ahead, release the hand if you've been holding. Bring your head back to center and then bring left ear to left shoulder. Again, hand can come to the top of the head just for a gentle assist on that stretch. Good. Hold and breathe. Excellent. Bring your head back up to center. Good. Bring your chin down to your chest, opening up through the back of the neck here. Keep the spine nice and long. Try not to arch through the lower back as you're sitting here. So keep those ribs tucked under. Breathe. Again, let the weight of the head assist you in this movement. Good. Now we're just going to start to roll the head to the left. Good. Back down to center. Roll the head to the right. Good. Back through center. One more each side. And if full neck circles are something that you like to experience, go ahead and do a couple of full neck circles. Otherwise, you can just keep rocking back and forth. Wherever you are, bring your chin back down to your chest. Now lift the chin, sit up nice and tall. Excellent. Let's release the hands. Inhale, stretch the arms up overhead, big exaggerated stretch. And then exhale, release any tension. Good, let's do that twice more. Inhale. Good, big nice stretch in. Exhale, release any tension. Go ahead and breathe it out. Inhale, stretch it up long. And exhale, release any tension. Shake out the hands, shake out the arms. Good. Let's do that wrist stretch that we've done before. This is so beneficial for those of us that spend a lot of time on the computer. So stretching that hand out towards me, go ahead and grab onto those fingers. Pull the fingers towards you. Breathe into that wrist. Good. Nice big breath in. Good. Again, try to let go of what you have to do after this. Try to let go of what happened before this. Try to be here with me now. Switch hands. Taking just a few minutes for yourself today. It's so important. But what's even more important is that we're present with this time so we reap all of the benefits. Good. Shake out those hands and wrists again. Good. Let's do a few wrist rotations, first in one direction. Good. Keep breathing. These are really gentle stretches. If you want to do more yoga or bring this into a full body practice, good. Stretch that arm over, give yourself a little hug. You're more than welcome to try any of the wellness classes that Chu has to offer. We do yoga flow, pound, lots of things to help get in your body. Switch sides. Good. Breathe and hold. Good. Go ahead and release the hands down to the thighs. Sit up nice and tall again. If you're standing, you might want to sit for this next section because we're going to go through that meditation and breathing practice. Always welcome to stay standing if that's available to you. So we're talking about clearing the clutter, spring cleaning. I want you to think about, close your eyes for a moment. We're going to start with that meditation piece. So I want you to think about things that are taking up space in your mind that don't serve you. Perhaps it's a conversation that keeps playing on repeat. I wish I would have said this, or I wish I would have done that. An interaction, a particular person or exchange, a moment in time in the past or in the future. What is taking up that space? What are you allowing to live rent-free in this valuable space that is your mind, that is your consciousness? Take a moment. What thoughts don't serve you? Why does it keep coming back? And maybe these thoughts aren't from the outside. Maybe they're our own. Those I'm not quite good enough thoughts, or I haven't done enough thoughts. Why are you letting those thoughts take up that valuable space? Is there unfinished business, or can they just be packed up? Can they be moved out? Let's take a moment to visualize this. If you can, bring one of those thoughts, bring one of those moments, bring one of those interactions to the forefront of your mind. Take a moment. I want you to ask yourself how that thought, how that experience is serving you. And if it's not, I want you to gently, with respect, with love, I want you to take that moment, take that thought, I want you to put it in that moving box. I want you to visualize packing it up. I want you to put it on that moving truck, and I want you to give it a wave and say goodbye. And as it is with our minds, it might come back. It might be the box that you never can quite get rid of. But I want you to keep trying. I want you to rise to the challenge of letting the obstacles that are inhibiting you from being your best self, I want you to rise to that challenge and let them go. And as you allow these things that might be holding you back, as you allow them to go, imagine what space, what new space you have for more positive thoughts, interactions. So hopefully with that one little box that you've packed up, you found a little bit more space. We're going to focus now on doing some breath work and bringing some of that breath into that space. And maybe that breath will help push away, help you find some of the other things that don't serve you. So still with your eyes closed if you like, if you're comfortable. Visualizing that mind space, visualizing having a little bit more room there. And as you sit here, I want you to take a big inhale in through the nose, into that space. Feel yourself expand, and exhale. Feel yourself relax. So another big breath in, filling your mind with that breath, creating space. Exhale, release. Keep drawing those inhales in through the nose. Keep releasing on each exhale. And as the mind's natural tendency to wander, as it wanders, gently draw it back in with your breath, with that focus on the breath. Fullness and expansion on the inhale, release, relaxation on the exhale. And as you continue to breathe, knowing that this work that you're doing, and it is work, it is a challenge to find the time to dedicate to this practice. This work is creating so much valuable space for you in your mind, in your body, in your heart. So keep breathing in that fullness, keep expanding that space in the mind for new growth, for opportunities, and keep letting go. And perhaps next time a thought arises, since you've done some practice, maybe next time you're able to catch it before it lodges too deep. And hopefully next time you can see that thought, that interaction for what it is, for a distraction from allowing you to be your best self. And you can pack it up. You can put it on that moving truck and you can wave goodbye for it before it even takes up space. Let's take one or two more breaths together here. Inhaling deeply and exhaling. And when you're ready, if your eyes are closed, gently bring them back open. I hope you found that this 15 minutes has been beneficial to you. I hope you check back again and review some of the videos that we've posted in the past. Keep showing up, keep doing the work. Thank you to our friends at the Center for Health, Education, and Wellness for allowing us to spend this time together. I hope you have a wonderful spring. I hope you find some time for renewal. Hope you find some time to bring some joy in. I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.